How to change the mail swipe options in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on apps. Now scroll down and here you can see the option mail. Now click on mail and then scroll down and here you can see the option swipe options. Now click on swipe options and here you can change your swipe option style. Swipe left, move message, none, and swipe right. If you select swipe left to move message, then simply go back and open it and swipe left. It will move your message like that. So this is the way to change the mail swipe options in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.